So now let's see how we can utilize a user-defined effect inside of Corel Draw. So over here I have an image, and to apply the user-defined effect to it, I'm going to go around under the effects menu right here and then go around over here onto custom. So here you can see that user-defined is an option, and once you go ahead and do that, then you can see that I actually get a user-defined grid right here. So I can go ahead and change around, let's say for example, the divisor, the offset and so forth right here. So you can see that I got some parameters right here. So if I were to go ahead and type in 10, let's say for example right here in one of it, then you can see that the effect changes out. So let's just go around onto 2, let's say for example over here, and then you get the effect accordingly right here. So let's just go around onto 0.5 right here, and you can see that it turns on to brightness right here. So there's the 0, there's 1 right here, there's -1 as you can see right here. So there are this grid right here, so you may want to go ahead and then work around and see what each one of these actually does right here. So I try to add in -1, let's say for example, and then add in some values right here just like this, and see how that actually goes out. So you can see the divisor right here that you can go ahead to change around the intensity of the effect that is applied, and change around the offset right here according to how you want as well. And then you can see some preset as well, like there's blur preset as you can see right here, just like this. You can see that there's detect edges preset right here, there's some emboss preset right here, there's some high pass preset as you can see right here, and there's vertical shift and difference and last use as you can see right here, just like this. And this is how you can simply go ahead and utilize the user-defined presets. You can change around the value according to how you want and get used to how this actually works right here, just like this, to get the different type of result over here for your particular images. If you go around and don't get it, you can simply utilize the preset. You can also go ahead and preserve out the colors and then utilize the auto compute divisor and so forth. So you may want to go ahead and take a look at how these actually will affect your image by experimenting around with the values right here, just like this as you can see. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the user defined effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.